Hey, what is going on? It's Josh from the DeFi guys, and today I have a brand new project for you guys I think you're going to be super excited about. So if you're looking forward to learning how to earn 3% yield every single day like clockwork, by the way, this is very much similar to Drip. There's a lot of forks coming out. There's a lot of different dapps that are available that are kind of copying what Drip is doing and innovating out of it. And of course, you guys know at this point, if you followed my channel, Drip has been very, very successful for me along with many others. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, like I said, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because here at the DeFi guys, we talk about everything decentralized finance, yield farming, everything that's going to help you make passive income with crypto. So let's go ahead and let's talk about Joe the Garden.finance. This is very, very straightforward. I'm just going to read this real quickly, and then I'm going to kind of summarize it to make it easier to understand for you guys. So Joe is a fisherman. He's looking to grow his business by hiring more of his fellow fishermen. Each fisherman Joe hires brings fresh fish to the table, which can be sold for TGC. Once you hire a fisherman, he will be working for you and bring you daily passive income. The yield can be reinvested to hire more fishermen and compound your earnings or sold. To get started with the game, all you need to do is fill in how many TGC worth of fishermen you want to hire and click Hire Fisherman. The yield earning has been started, and your fishermen will start fishing and earning TGC for you right away. So all you need to do, you can have BNB in your wallet, BUSD, USDT, doesn't matter. And by the way, this takes place on the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm connected to my Binance Smart Chain MetaMask wallet. So you want to make sure that you have MetaMask installed in Chrome. And then all you need to do is click on buy right here and then go over to PancakeSwap, okay? And you're going to be able to convert your BNB, your BUSD, as I explained, over to TGC, okay? So that's exactly what I did. I converted it over to TGC. I entered the amount. Let's say we've got, 5 BNB. Convert that over to TGC, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to swap. And then you're going to go jump back over to Joe the Garden.finance. Now I'm going to include a link below that you can click. That is going to be the official link, so you can avoid trying to type it into your browser. You might end up at a phishing site. No pun intended. We're talking about like a scammer site, right? Not an actual fisherman site like this. So we want to make sure you get access to the right address. Okay, and then all you need to do is enter your amount of TGC. So TGC is going to go in your wallet. You're going to go ahead and hire fishermen with your TGC. So if we've got, 500 or whatever it was, we're going to type that in right here, and you're going to hire fishermen, okay? Now, the amount of fishermen that you hire will be dependent upon the price of TGC. So right now is actually a great time to get in. Anytime is really a great time to get in because you're going to be able to compound just like you do with Drip. So $3.78 right now. And again, you'll be able to hire more fishermen because the price is lower. And then as the price raises, the value in your portfolio will raise. Therefore, the 3% that you're earning every day will be greater, right? So if your portfolio value goes from $6,000 to $9,000, then you're going to be earning 3% off of that $9,000, even though you invested initial $6,000 because the price of TGC went up. Okay, so you were able to hire more fishermen at a lower price, and then the value of those fishermen went up, and the value of TGC went up. Okay, so you'll notice that once you go ahead and you click on use your fish to hire more fishermen, or even click on hire fishermen right here after you enter your amount. That's what you're going to want to do actually, is make sure on the first time, because I've already hired my fishermen. You can see I've got 2008. So, we're putting 500 TGC in here. Then you're going to click on hire fishermen. And then after you do that, then you'll be able to go ahead and use your fish to hire more fishermen once you start creating fish right here. And fish is just TGC, right? It's that initial TGC that you bought. So you're staking TGC, you're earning more TGC to put it in sort of simplistic manners for you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I can go ahead and I can use my fish that I've been earning for the past 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and compound. I'm going to compound for the first 2 to 3 weeks. That's my strategy. And then I'll take profits every other day. So I'll compound, then take profits, then compound, then take profits. So I would suggest that you do what it is that you want to do. Of course, this is not financial advice. This video, of course, is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube documenting my journey. So if you want to go ahead and follow this same exact strategy that I'm using, you can go ahead and do that. I did this with drip and it was very, very successful. So I'm going to go ahead, once again, compound for the next 3 weeks and then start taking profits every other day. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on, now that I've hired my fishermen, use your fish to hire more fishermen. And then this window is going to pop up. We're going to go ahead and click on confirm. And when we do that, you'll see this balance go to 0. And then the hired fisherman is going to go up. The price is going to go up. Okay. So we just saw that happen. And again, every 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and use my fish to hire more fishermen. And then down here, you can click on the FAQ. And I would suggest that you read all of this. This is good information, but I'm pretty much covered it and summarized it pretty well within this video, but I still suggest that you go ahead and you read this whole entire FAQ so you really understand how this works. You can also check out the verified contract right here. And you can see if we scroll up, you've got all this TGC that's in the contract right now at the time of the creation of this video, 172,792 there. Also, if you want to go ahead and follow their socials, I recommend getting in the Telegram group at least so you could be up to date with what's going on with this specific project. Okay, so if we go back to the garden.finance, if we just go to the home page, there's one other thing I wanted to show you. So I'm just going to go to the home page here. They are going to be creating layers with this. I'll show you what that actually means. There's going to be other games that will be released. Okay. Now, if you go to the garden.finance, you can check out the white paper, okay, for this specific game that we just, went through, the fishing game. So I suggest that you go ahead and do that. There's going to be other dapps that are going to be layered on top of Fisherman Joe, which is the DeFi project that we were talking about today. There's going to be other layers. You're seeing other projects like, once again, Drip doing this, adding layers, which creates more sustainability and long-term profits overall. So the garden pools are going to be available. Pirate Gang is going to be available. So they've got a lot of good things going on with their roadmap. And you can check out the price chart right here, just like I showed you guys, to check out the price of TGC if you want to go ahead and do that as well. Again, right now it seems like a great time to get in. If you guys want to go ahead and start this game and you want to build a long-term passive income business with crypto, this is a long-term strategy here. This is a long-term project. So I'm adding many of these to my portfolio, diversifying my risk, and there's a lot of these that are going to end up coming out on top. So if you want to get started, you saw the instructions in this video. Click the link below in the description. Drop the video like, by the way, subscribe to the channel. And after every one of my videos, I actually give away $100 in crypto. So after 48 hours, if you've done the following, which is subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon, you've liked the video, and you comment below, let me know what you think the future price, and let's say 90 days, what do you think the price is going to be of TGC in 90 days? I'm going to call it, and I'm going to say $40. $40 is kind of my price prediction on the price of TGC in 90 days. Let me know what your prediction is below, and you'll be entered to win that $100. Again, you got to make sure you also like and you subscribe and tick that bell icon. Okay. So go ahead, get started with Joe Fisherman below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This is Josh from the DeFi Guys. And if you want to learn more about our mastermind and how to get started in DeFi, that will also be in the description below. Take care and beware of scammers. A lot of scammers in my comments We will not personally reach out to you whatsoever. The only real information is in the description within this video, not in the comment section. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.